What's up, tag team? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a look with the Violet Voss Neon Vibes palette, as well as the Urban Decay Kristen Leanne palette. I'm really craving like a blue and purple look today. I don't really know exactly what I'm going to do yet, but let's dive in. I'm going to jump in with biker shorts. Now I'm going to go along with Radical on the corners. A little bit of Boombox. I'm so addicted to these neon colors, it's ridiculous. Again, with Boombox, I'm going to smoke that edge up a little bit. And I'm gonna repeat the kind of same process to the bottom lash line now. Switching to this palette, I'm gonna go in a bit with the black, which is my favorite black actually out of all the blacks that I have. It seems to be the darkest. And then fake a cut crease by just dragging this black a little bit higher than my crease line to make my eyes look bigger. Go back in with Boombox. Tone down that black just a little bit. So it looks like I might actually have to go in with a cut crease because I wasn't super precise with that black line on top there, which is okay. Coming in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Contour Concealer. Going back in with Boombox. I'm going to blend that pink in a little bit. Now we have a nice little gradual transition. Now for the part I've been looking forward to. I'm going to go in with LCW into the center there. I'm just like pressing it on, not trying to drag it. Going in with a little bit bigger of a poofy brush. That's not really sticking the way I wanted it to. So I'm gonna go in with this acid wash. We're having fun again. Okay, so now let's go in with one of my favorite colors, and I'm gonna be so sad when I hit pan on this. It's Leo and Brixton on the Kristen Leanne palette. It shows up kind of like white on camera, but in person it's like this gorgeous light blue color. Drag that along the top lash line just to make that pop just a little bit more. A tiny bit on the bottom. Just in case we weren't extra enough. Taking my black eyeliner. Following the shape I've created along this outer corner. So we have that sense of unity. So we have that sense of unity. Tap, 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 tap. so I'm gonna finish the other eye, pop on some mascara, lashes, and my lips, and I will be right back with the final look. So here's the final look. I hope you like it. I hope that if you were following along, it wasn't too difficult to follow along. Let me know if there's any way I can change things up for you, because I'm still kind of learning the groove of my channel and stuff, and learning how I film, how I edit, as well as even just how I shoot my videos, just to make sure they could be as enjoyable for you guys as they can be. So leave a comment below what you think. If you like this look, give it a blue heart in the comments. If you don't like this look, give it a broken heart in the comments. and then put why. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for sticking around, and we'll see you next time. So I'm kind of noticing as I was finishing this look up that it's very 90s Barbie. So Barbie, eat your heart out. Ha.